Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the Boxycharm base box for December 2021. As you guys know, I canceled all of my Boxycharms but the base box. I did prepay for this box for the year, so I'll still be getting this, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. I might not. I complain a lot about Boxycharm, but they are complainable. Is that a word? They are complainable? No, that's not a word. I made that up in the Abby dictionary. They can be complained about a lot because you expect more from them. And they just sent an email like 2 or 3 weeks ago about the price jump for the premium and for the luxe. And they were like, but don't worry, the base box isn't going to be raised. And then they sent another email 2 weeks later and said they raised the base box. I'm like, what the heck? I thought you weren't going to raise the base box. But they did. I don't know how much, 27, 28. It's up there. All right, guys, you get 5 full-size products in this, and it's not 25 anymore. It's like 28, 27. I'll leave it in my description box when I find out the price. So let's open it up and see. Oh, and I didn't get a shipping confirmation for this either. It just showed up, which I'm not mad at. Show up all the time, please. Okay, so the first, let me open this out. The theme is Gift of Glam. I do think this would be a good gift for anyone. Like if I got a year of Boxycharm for free, I'd be so excited. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is this, and this is a huge Gigantor Mud Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask. It's a 3-in-1 formula, and it's so big. That's what she said. Okay, this retails for 59 stupid ass dollars. This non-foaming, fragrance-free cleansing mask is infused with rich minerals to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtime. Formulated with a blend of cleansing minerals and Mud Masky's signature premium Moroccan lava clay, this effective formula aids in restoring your skin's pH levels, reducing redness, and preventing acne. Okay. I mean, I'm not super excited, but I'm not mad. I'm just not super excited. I have so many masks. It's ridiculous. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is the Araceli Beauty Sponges. And these retail for $24, which is not bad for 2. Blend it out. Set the stage for a seamless smoothing blend with a super soft Araceli Bella Sponge Duo. Use it again and again to effortlessly apply your foundation, concealer, and cream products. Need to bake? The Bella Sponge's pointed tip provides precise application of powder. Okay, let's feel them. I am very picky with my beauty sponges. I love the e.l.f. sponges. I just don't think anyone, ooh, wait, these feel good. Here I am talking a bunch of shit and I didn't even feel them yet. These feel good. This one feels better than this one. I think it's just like they're made differently, maybe because of the color. I'm not sure. This feels more dense, not a squishy feeling. This one is squishy and it feels like an e.l.f. beauty blender. I love the e.l.f. sponges. You just can't beat them. They're like $6 and they are amazing. I don't want to use any other one. I don't even like the Real beauty blenders. I never have, but the e.l.f. I used to use Real Techniques beauty sponges all the time, but then I found the e.l.f. ones and I just haven't been able to go back to any other one. This one actually feels a little heavier. This one feels lighter. I'm not sure why I'm telling you the weights. But anyway, I'm excited to use this one. I'll definitely try this one, maybe for powder. But this one feels really good. Yeah, I'm excited. These feel great. Okay, and I'll not complain about the next product before I even touch it or try it or swatch it. You know what I mean. Okay, the next thing is this. And this is the Mellow Lip Pencil in the shade Rose, and this retails for $15, which is not bad at all. This gel formulated gel lip pencil glides on fluidly and adheres instantly with a matte finish. Ooh, I actually use lip liners for lipstick all the time. I am super excited to see what this color is going to be like because the end gives you a little bit of color, but every color looks different on every skin tone. So like it might look like this on, you open it up and you're like, oh, I don't know if I'll like it, but then you put it on your skin and you're like, ooh, I look sexy. Okay. Oh, I broke it. Oh no. I don't have a sharpener down here. That broke super fast. So that means it's going to be very, I'm drawing on my hand with the point. That means it's going to be very soft. So be very careful when you put this on. There's the shade. You can see where it broke. There's the shade. It's pretty. I'll definitely use it, and I'll let you guys know if I like it. If I like it, you'll see me wearing it. I'm a little disappointed that it broke so fast, but I could have broken it with my, you know, maybe I'm just too strong. Maybe my muscles just can't handle it. Okay, the next thing is this. This is the Tarte C Glotion Skin Perfector. I've never heard of this. This retails for $32. It's a get lit from within look with this instant complexion perfector inspired by the magical glow effect of the bioluminescence. It gives a natural luminous glow onto the skin and micronized pearls that reflect light to blur imperfections. It's a 4-in-1. It works to prime and extend makeup, hide imperfections, glow, and brighten. Does it have a shade? Maybe not. Let's see. I don't really use stuff like this on my skin, but I could use it. I don't know. I'll just have to try it. I mean, it says it primes. Okay, so it looks like that's a peachy formula. And, oh, it's very thin. Okay, this might just like even out your skin tone, give you a little glowy look. I don't know. I don't see a big difference on my palm, but it's just my palm. Can't really... It doesn't have a scent. I can't really tell you what it's going to do. I'll definitely try it and see if I like it. All right. I have combination skin, so I don't know if it would be good for oily skin or not, because my T-zone is oily and my T-zone is oily, but my cheeks are, and my like around my face is dry. All right, last but not least is this. This is a Real Her Dream So Big eyeshadow palette. When I first started getting subscription boxes, Real Her was huge in subscription boxes. And to be honest, I never really liked them, but maybe they changed the formula, you never know. Okay, this retails for this 9-pan eyeshadow palette retails for $28 stupid dollars. I mean, it's not super expensive, but it is kind of expensive, you know, $28. Okay, these 9 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades are infused with avocado oil, coconut oil, and other vegan powerhouse ingredients for hydration and anti-aging properties. All right, let's see. All right, so here's the packaging. And here's the palette. Ooh, here. Ooh. Does anyone else love that? It's so satisfying. Okay, so here's the palette. This looks very familiar. I'm not sure if I have one that looks just like it or if I have this one. I don't think I have. Which one is this? Dream So Big. I don't think I have this one, but I do think I have something similar. Right, so let's swatch. Okay, here's the palette. The one thing I will say is as I was swatching the palette, chunks, and I mean like chunks of eyeshadow were coming out. So they're pressed. It's a very, very soft shadows. The mattes are like super duper soft, which could be a good or a bad thing. You could put it on and it might just blend away, or they could saturate your brush and then you'd have to tap it off and it'll be so pigmented you have to work with it. It could be just a number of a few things. The shimmers, they're okay. They're not great from the swatches, but you'd have to use it on your eyes to see if you like it or not. I'm not mad at getting this. I'm not excited about getting it. It's just, it's an eyeshadow palette and I love getting makeup, so I am not like angry with it. All right, so for the month of December 2021, I received a 9-pan eyeshadow palette by Real Her, the Mud Masky Mask, the 2 beauty blenders, which I'm very excited for these. I think I'm most excited for these. The Tarte Glotion, the Mellow and the Mellow Cosmetics lip liner, which I'm excited about as well. Let me give you an overall value of this box. The overall value of the December 2021 box is $158, and I paid $25 for this. Yeah, $25. It used to be $21 and then it was raised to $25 and now it's raised again. But I think I paid $25 for it this month. But the overall value is really good. I thought it was great. And I can't really complain about Boxycharm this month, honestly. I really can't. It was pretty fantastic. Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. We got one skincare product. This could be skincare, but it's also makeup as well. Got beauty sponges, a lip liner, eyeshadow. Really, if I was to complain about this, I would just be complaining to complain. You guys, my boxes were pretty amazing. Wait until you see my Ipsy glam bag. It was freaking phenomenal. Like, I was so excited about it that I almost did a dance. Okay, I'm gonna go. Seriously, I'm gonna get out of here because I could talk your ears off. I am nervous and my anxiety is super high because my cat just had surgery yesterday. She had a hard time coming out of anesthesia. She's on pain medicine. She's very loopy. She hasn't peed yet, and I'm stressed out. And my chameleon passed away, and I'm very sad about that as well. I hope you guys are having a really, really great day. I love you guys so, so much. I'll make sure to link Boxycharm in my description box down below so you can go check it out for yourself. And let me know how much the Boxycharm base box is now that they raised the price. Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what you got in your box. Are we box twins? Let me know. And I hope you guys are having a really great day. I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.